Tecno Pop 8, Tecno Pop 8, BG6m, Tecno Pop 8, BG6m, going to perform FRP bypass. So bismillah. Start with next, skip, select network, and select this one. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. Yes. Continue. So next, see the locker is there. So keep it up.
I don't know. Gonna shoot take a wall.
This point, go. So we don't know the pin. So go account. This is a new security place. So try to follow step by step guide. Step by step guide. So here, go back on this point. Let's use this. After this, continue without account. So here is this button, three dots. Tap 3 dots. Tap share. Tap this, go. Open without account. Continue. So you have seen on this point. Say open settings. So open settings, then scroll down and open this peso. Now so here left, go back, come here in apps, effect apps. So disable this, come here on home, set this one. So next. So on this point, going to disable. On this point, disable. Let's remove Wi-Fi. And go. See, it's not there. Remove network and go. Press skip. So on this point, you're going to turn back Wi-Fi. Wait for it to come. By waiting for it, so what you're going to do, you turn on the previous one. Come here, go assistant, open settings. So there's no network. Wi-Fi is not yet back. Wait for Wi-Fi. Wait, don't get tired. Wait and wait. It is back. It's back now. that is all. Thank you so much. So come here at this point, open settings, open settings. Open settings. So it is opening settings. Come here, app management, app listing, play services, disable play services. This is the only trick you wanted. After disabling it, go back, go back, go back, go back. So press this button. After all, now you're done. This is the trick. You're done, already done, mashallah. So after all, come here, come this side, come in settings, applications. You want to enable Play Store or Play Services list. Go Play Services, enable it, enable it. After enabling it, and that is all. You're done. You can use your phone. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more test updates. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.